Hello, welcome back to the channel. Glad to be back. I've got some time today to make a quick video, so we're going to be going over how to make a Java object-oriented programming window, a simple graphical user interface window for Java. So I believe the last video I did on this playlist for Java was how to install netbeans. And so I'm using netbeans right now. And I have my example here already set up with the notes. So let's get started. So first, when you open NetBeans, it's going to ask you to create a new project. So create a new project, and then it's going to take you to a page like this. It's all going to be blank. So right here, click on New File, and then in Project, type in your project name, whatever it is. Then hit Next. File name, put in your project name, and then hit Finish. So this project name is going to be top level window.java. So type in top level window.java. Actually, don't even put Java, just put in top level window and it will put in the Java for you. Click on finish. And then this should be blank right here for you. So if it's not, then it probably has a bunch of comments on it. You can just delete all that, except for this. Leave this stuff up here. So right under these links that it shows up here, go ahead and the first step is to import graphical components. So we're going to be importing java.awt and javax.swing. So make sure to type in import and then java.awt at the top as shown, and then import javax.swing. Okay, so once you have that, the second step is to create the application class. So to create an application class, we're going to go in and type in public class top level window, same name as the file name, and then this bracket right here with a closing bracket like this, and then hit enter, and down here type in private static void create window. The W has to be capitalized, and then these brackets right here, and then these brackets right here. So then inside of these brackets, hit enter, and then down here, going to create and set up the window with JFrame. So JFrame frame equals new JFrame, and then simple GUI inside of those brackets and close it off right here. And then frame.set default close operation JFrame.exit on close. So it closes when we actually click on the X. Okay. So now we add a J label to the JFrame. So this is going to be the label that we're going to put in the window. So right here, you're going to put in J label, and then text label equals new J label, and in brackets, I'm a label in the window. So whatever the message you want to put in, just put it right there. And then swing constants.center. So now below that, type in text label dot set preferred size new dimension. So we're right here, text label dot set preferred size new dimension, and then this sets up the size of the window. So we're going to be 300 pixels by 100 pixels. And then close it off. And then right here, frame.getContentPane brackets or function, and then .add, and then inside of these brackets, text label, and then border layout .center. That just aligns everything to the center. Okay, and then close it off. And now to display the window, we're gonna go frame dot set location relative to and null, and close it off, and then frame dot pack with the function and then close it off, and then frame.setVisible, and with the function true and then close it off right there. And now that we have that set up, we create the application entry point. So go down below what we just typed in here, or what you just typed in. I already have this pre-typed, and then put in public static void main string, and these brackets args, and close that off there, and open up a new set of brackets here and hit enter. And right here type in create window, and then function, close it off. And now you check the code to make sure everything matches up what I have here. So I'm going to bring it up a little bit, so just bring it down to where you can see the entire code. And I'm just going to open it up a little bit. Okay, so as long as everything matches up what I have right here, then what you want to do is go to File, and then Save As, if you don't already have it saved as top level window.java. Then Save As, and then type in that name, top level window, and then it'll put in the Java by itself. And once you do that, we go ahead and run it, save, compile, and run. So run, and then run file. Oops, I actually had it running already. Okay, run file from the beginning. And there's our simple graphical user interface that we created just now. I'm a label in the window. Okay, so that's all we're going to be learning for today. I'll catch you on the next one to do more. Actually, I don't know if I'm going to be doing more of Java on the next one, or if I'm going to be doing some web dev on the next one, so we'll see. Okay, take it easy. Bye.